Okay, so let's review what we've done so far. So far, we broke down our prompt and we figured out that we are writing a diary entry from the perspective of someone who lived during the westward expansion. That was in our prompt. Second, you identified who you want to be for your diary entry and what your diary entry is going to be about. So you decided, are you going to be a pioneer on the Oregon Trail? Are you going to be a Native American on the Trail of Tears? Are you going to be a Black cowboy? Or are you going to be somebody who's working on the Transcontinental Railroad? You have to decide who you want to be. And third, you had to find 10 historical facts that you wanted to include in your diary entry using the websites that I linked in Teams and also the text from class that I put in Teams as well. If you haven't done one of those three things, then you need to go back and you need to watch the video from earlier this week, the last video, so that you can do one of those three things. Because if you haven't done one of those three things, you need to stop and go back and do that. Because if not, then the rest of this video is going to be kind of confusing for you. Okay. Today, we are going to plan our next diary entry and we're going to use a timeline. Okay. So, what is a timeline? A timeline in Spanish is called a cronograma, and it's a representation of the time passing by, of time as it passes by. So, for example, here is a timeline of the history of baseball. It's for you, MJ. So here shows like where baseball started and then what happened in the late 1800s and then the 1900s. And it stops in 1950, so obviously baseball has continued. But this shows a history of the beginning of baseball. And then here is a timeline. This one's like a weaving timeline that shows the history of how pizza was developed. So timelines show how things pass through time. Okay, watch. Okay, passing through time. So we're going to make a timeline that shows the events of our diary entry. And it's going to really help us to be able to see, okay, what's going to happen first in my diary entry, what's going to happen second, third, and fourth.